I need you on Courier assignment today. Got a few things I need you to pick up for me. Check your GPS.
I better not be picking up your groceries. That's a lot of stops. What do I hit first?
Doesn't matter to me. Just be quick about it.
You got something for me? First stop down. What's this? Some sort of audio recording? Let's see what's on it.
We made bank on last night's race. You should calm down the people who got nervous as Tyler Morgan messed with us.
Good. About time we expanded then. What do the other leads say?
It's Lena Navarro.
As a company and 1% club are listening. With Silver 6 monocle elite.
Torch their boss's car. They'll come around.
Navarro's fixing more and more races, and she's expanding outside the city too. Nice weather today, huh? Keep it up.
I didn't do nothing, officer! Shut up! Hey! What the hell did you do? The house wants us to turn up the heat on Silver 6. If you're not happy, you're damn right I'm not happy. To hell with this. I'm going back to Rockport.
Navarro has cops on her payroll? That's not good. Just hand it over already. Making good time so far.
Sorry, sir. The boss is not seeing anybody. Cut the crap, alright? The collector's expecting me.
Is that Ramirez?
Plans have changed. He's with someone important. Someone? Who? A VIP from overseas. Sorry, that's all I know.
You guys don't talk very much, do you?